Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to make header smaller. So if you want to make header smaller, you can active for the rules. You can go to view and then check for the ruler. After it, you can double click in the top to select the header, and then to make small, you can click these icons and move to the top. So you can small or higher the header by using these rule tools. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to make header smaller. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.